Hybl turbines H16 engine. Designed and produced in the Czech Republic. Designed for high reliability, safety and performance. Low purchase and operating cost. Dedicated for models 13 to 20 kg take-off weight. Specification: 17 kg thrust, SFC 0.046 gram per Newton per second, one of the lowest in its class. Fuel: Jet A1 diesel plus 4% oil, Mobil DTE oil light, 1610 gram engine weight, 111 mm diameter. Safety features: all rotating parts undergo 100% non-destructive testing. Kevlar containment ring. Machined engine housing with stop ring. Reliability: only top quality materials and components used. All components designed for H16 operating conditions. Extensively tested on ground and in the air. Low operating cost. Mobil DTE oil light enabled. Diesel fuel enabled. Easy installation. Single fuel line. Internal kerosene igniter and temperature probe. Simple electronic connection. High pressure ratio centrifugal compressor for high performance and realistic sound. Optimized secondary airflows and lubrication system for low bearing temperatures. CFD optimized and rigorously tested combustion chamber with 10 fuel injectors in cold flow for reliable operation and life. CFD and FEM optimized axial turbine stage from Pengenalan 713LC for high performance and life. Hybl turbines H16. Affordable engine with no compromises.